Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my video presentations. My name is Siti Hasna Wulandari from the Faculty of Engineering and Informatics, specifically in the Information System program, with the student ID 1924181. Now, have you ever thought about how much we depend on computers every single day? Well, in these presentations, I'll take you into the world of computers. We'll learn what they really are, what inside them, and how they power nearly everything we do today. So make yourself comfortable and let's divine in together. Alright, let's start with our first topic, computer. We use it every day, but what is a computer, really? Let's break it down and understand the concept, the definitions, and the key characteristics of a computer. According to Robert H. Blismer, a computer is an electronic device capable of receiving data, processing it based on instructions, storing both commands and results, and then delivering meaningful output. In my opinion, a computer is more than just a machine. It's a modern assistant that helps us think faster, make better decisions, and complete tasks more efficiently, whether in education, work, or daily life. The role of computers. Computers have become a foundation for modern civilization. In schools, they enable online learning. In hospitals, they power medical equipment. In office, they manage data, automate work, and support communications. Without computer, our world would move much slower. They drive innovations, reduce human errors, and open access to endless information. Think of these 5 functions as a cycle. First, the computer takes input from devices like a keyboard or mouse. Then it processes the data using the CPU. It may temporarily store it in memory or permanently in storage. Finally, the result is shown via an output device like a screen or speaker. All of these are coordinated by the control unit, ensuring everything works inside. Both are essential. One cannot function without the other. Hardware includes the physical part of a computer monitor, keyboard, mouse, motherboard, and more. Software includes programs like Microsoft Word, Chrome, or the operating system like Windows. Think of a computer as a human body. Hardware is the skeleton and muscles, and software is the mind and instructions. One is useless without the other. Together, they become powerful. Each computer type serves a specific purpose. Desktops are common in homes and offices for daily use. Laptops provide portability. Mobile devices like smartphones and tablets combine communication and computing. Servers manage network resources in business. Supercomputers handle complex simulations, such as weather forecasting, space research, and AI modeling. Data alone is meaningless. It's like scattered puzzle pieces. Once the computer processes and organizes them, they become informations like a complete pictures. For example, 200,000 is just a number, but if you add context, 200,000 people attend the concert, it becomes clear and valuable information. Computer can do in seconds what would take humans hours or days. They rarely make mistakes, store vast amounts of data, and make global communication possible in real time. These combinations of speed, accuracy, and memory is what makes computers powerful tools in every profession. We just explore what computers are, their types, and how they help us. But have you ever wondered what's going on under the hood? In the next sessions, we'll break down the internal components that makes computer functions the way they do. A computer is not just one box. It's a combination of various working parts. These are the core components responsible for input, processing, output, and storage. Each of them has a unique functions but all work together as one system. CPU, the brain of the computer. The CPU is responsible for executing all instructions. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, making such parts perform its role. Every click, every app, every calculation goes through the CPU. Without it, a computer is just lifeless hardware. Memory is RAM and ROM. RAM is like a notepad. It stores data temporarily while you work. The moment the power is off, it's gone. ROM, on the other hand, is like a manual. It stores fixed instructions that help start your computer, such as the BIOS. Together, they ensure the system can boot and run smoothly. Without input device, we can talk to the computer. The keyboard lets us type, the mouse helps us point and click. Scanner convert physical documents into digital files. And microphones allow voice input. These tools are how we give commands and provide data. Computers don't just take data, they must also give us results. Monitors display image and text. Printer give us physical documents. Speaker play audio. Projectors help share content to a bigger audience. These devices let us understand what the computer has processed. Storage device. Storage is where data and programs are kept. Even when the computer is off, hard devices of a big capacity, SSDs are faster and more durable. Flash drives let us carry data anywhere. Without storage, we lose everything every time we shut down. Think of the motherboard as a city map with roads connecting every building. It holds the CPU, RAM, and provides slot and port for input or output device. If any component is the heart of brain, the motherboard is the central nervous system. How it all works together. A computer only works when all parts communicate and cooperate. Just like a team, each component has a role. Input brings in data. The CPU processes it, memory and storage hold it, and output shows the result. This teamwork is what makes digital magic happen. From the outside, a computer may look simple, but inside it's a world of complex. Understanding this not only helps us become better users, but prepares us to innovate, creative, and problem solve using technology. Whether we're dealing with the basic of computer or exploring what's inside, one thing is clear: knowledge is power. The more we know about technology, the better we can use it and maybe even improve for the future. Thank you very much for listening to my presentations. I hope it gave you a better understanding of what computers are and how they work. Thank you for watching, and Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.